Hello everyone, this is Inez, and I am back to share with you my third cat's meow, and this one is from Amarilis. Her name is Amarilis Casanova. I love that name, Amarilis. It's a beautiful name. And here's the card she included. Gorgeous little card. Thank you so much. This just says, thank you for participating in the cat's meow. It was fun putting this box together. I am sorry for being late. Hope you enjoyed everything I made and purchased for you. Regards to Amarilis. Thank you so much, Amarilis. I always enjoy these cat's meows, and I am sure I'm going to enjoy this one as well. So thank you so much, and thank you for participating as well. So these are a lot of fun. So let's dig in this box of goodies. Look at that. Tulle. I love tulle. Love tulle. Thank you so much. Of course, purple, my favorite. I love the gold. I like to use gold in my steampunk. It's another new theme that I'm trying. I'm not into steampunk that much, but I'm always game to try something new, so I'm trying it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at those beads. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these. Thank you so much. And I love this little bag. It's so cute. Thank you so much. And I'm always needing these. I'm always running out. So thank you so much. These are going to come in so handy. Thank you so much. Oh, check this out. Is this like a gray color? Green, gray, hunter green kind of? This is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous color. Silver nylon tulle. So it's like a silver grayish. Looks kind of green on the video, but it's gorgeous. Thank you so much. These cat's meows are so much fun. So much fun. So many surprises. Look at that. Look at that. These are going to come in so handy. I'm sorry, am I out of frame? There we go. Oh, look at these. Look at that. These are going to come in so handy. So handy. Thank you so much, Amarilis. I love them. Thank you so much. Look at these. There's butterflies. There's flowers in there. I'm sorry. Glare of the light. A lot of little knickknacks. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love how you decorated these bags. Thank you so much. Look at that flat back. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are from Julie Nutting. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pearls, rhinestones. Oh, the black ones. Oh, look at these cute butterflies. Thank you. Thank you so much. They are so cute. I'm out of frame again. I'm so sorry. There's some gorgeous butterflies. Gorgeous. And of course, Gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't wait to use. And Julie Nutting, so I can't wait to use those either. Thank you so much. And then these gorgeous purple gems. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Another bag full of goodies. Thank you so much. Oh, look at these cards. Aren't they gorgeous? Gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous cards. Just congratulations. Thank you. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. And the gorgeous purple butterflies on top. A scrapper always needs that. Thank you so much. I'm always needing these, so thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. Butterfly die cuts, thank you. And I don't have those, so thank you so much. Circles, I don't have them, so thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Oh, these are lovely stickers. Look at that. Thank you. These are going to come in so handy, so thank you so much. Look at these stickers. Gorgeous. Aren't they gorgeous? Thank you so much. Oh, purple, my favorite. Oh, it's a loaded envelope. I love loaded envelopes. I think those are my two favorite. I'm going to say loaded envelopes are one of my favorites, and as well as the friendship umbrellas. I just love them. Thank you so much. And of course, handmade items. You cannot go wrong if you make me something. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's handmade and you took the time to make it for me, I'm going to love it. Thank you so much. I so appreciate it. And this is what this swap is about, as well as hand making some items for your partner, as well as purchasing some items. And it's a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. We try to use their favorite color, favorite items that they like to use in crafting and stuff, and it is a lot of fun. So thank you so much. Let's look through this. Got some sequins here. Oh, look at this little cord. Like a little ATC. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Little embellishments. Oh, here's some die cuts. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How did you do that? Look at that. I'm sorry. You can see right through that. Look. Isn't that gorgeous? You see right through it. See the bag? And it's a shaker. Wow. You're going to have to show us how to do that. Thank you, Amarilis. This is gorgeous. I love these flowers. I love the purple ones. Oh my goodness. You just stuffed this little bag. Look at these embellishment. She altered these clothespins with some gorgeous flowers. She added some mist to them. That is just gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Those are cute. I like making those too as well. Oh, look at these keys. She embellished those keys. Thank you so much. I just love this bag. Everything is just handmade. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Look at that. And this gorgeous tag. Look at the tag. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And she used my favorite color, purple. So thank you so much with butterflies. Oh, my two favorite. Thank you so much. You outdid yourself with this. thank you. I loved everything, 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 everything. Thank you so much. You did an amazing job with this box. And thank you again for participating and sending me this amazing Cat's Meow. I loved it. Thank you so much. And thank you all for watching. And again, if you have not had a chance to go out there and check out mini album scraps, please do so. It is a lot of fun. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.